Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Ayo and welcome back to Ayo Media. In this video, I'm gonna go into a deep dive of my personal handheld rig camera setup. I'm gonna show you all the gear that I use, all the price points, and a few tips and tricks that I've learned over time on how to get those smooth cinematic shots. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get to it. So we got the Sony a7 III. Don't kill me because I ain't got the cap. I don't know. But this is my main baby, man. I feel like a lot of people have moved away from it, but I'm one of them if it ain't broke, don't fix it type people. Anyway, then I got the Magic Rig cage with the top handle. And so this is gonna protect my a7 III, protect my baby, and give me a lot of options as far as building around it for the actual rig. And so then we're gonna go with the small rig base plate for the rails. These right here are also small rig, and so what these rails do is give me the option to mount the V mount for the small rig battery. Like I said, this is my favorite piece of gear right here. This is my main baby, love it. Then we're gonna go with my next piece of gear, favorite gear, is the 24mm G Master by Sony. Like I said, don't know where the lens cap is. Then we're gonna go Tamron 35 to 150 millimeter lens. This is my new favorite jump. You're gonna get the job done. I love it. Nice build. It's heavy. I love it. Then from there, we're gonna go with the small rig 95 millimeter matte box. And then we're gonna go with the wooden side handle. Yeah, this makes it all come together. I love it. Gives you a lot of stability. I love it. Then we're gonna go with the field world. You know, something simple, something light. I want to go bigger. I think I'm gonna get the Atomos next. This gives you a lot more options. With the Atomos, you can record outside of the box. You know, I love that option, which I don't have with this, so I probably will get that. Then we're gonna go with my secondary. These are my secondary mics. You know, these right here, these Larkmans. Man, listen, I tell you right now, for the price, the durability and everything, you can't beat these. Good quality, decent quality. The Hollyland Larkmans, man, I say you go ahead and get you some of these if you're looking for a budget option mics. They give you good, great quality, a lot of range. Shout out to them in my first pair. But then I upgraded, I did, to the Rode Wireless 2. I'm actually recording on these right now, so here's just one of the mics, and I have one of the transmitters hooked up and another mic on me right now. And so yeah, these right here just come this little more professional sound. I love these right here. These are good. So to mount this monitor, you have this small rig field monitor mount holder. And so it just goes on to, I'm gonna show you how it goes on here in a second. Then you have your Manfrotto Rapid Connect tripod adapter, you know, quick release. Pretty much what it is, you know. So if you want to go from your tripod to your handheld real fast, this is what you need, you know. This is your mount, this is your clip onto your camera, setup. Boom, pop it right off and you're ready to go. Simple. Now, in here are some cables that you're gonna need. This is your micro HDMI to HDMI. And listen, don't waste your time with anything else other than this. From my experience, listen, everything else is gonna break. I just had a recent one that broke just like last week. Listen, just go ahead and get this joint right here. It stretches. It has a lot of different ways you can set it up. It's not gonna break on you. Just go ahead and get this. Same with the battery. This is the dummy battery right here that I have for the camera to this battery right here. Like I said, don't waste your time on anything else. Just go ahead and get this. It's, you know, it's about 20 bucks, 30 bucks max. It's gonna last you. You're gonna love it. You know what I mean? Don't go ahead and waste your time because you're gonna end up breaking your other ones. They're just no good. This is the way. Then for my lens, for my ND filter, I went with the Breakthrough Photography 1-to-6 stops ND filter. Man, listen, this right here changed my life for these daytime shoots. Listen, I live in Vegas. I'm doing a lot of shoots in the desert, on the strip. People want to be out here in the sun for whatever reason. This right here saved my life right here. Saved me a lot of shoots. So yeah, this was right. I found this on OfferUp from a guy. It was brand new. He sold it to me for $35. I think these go for like $110 or something like that. But honestly, I couldn't even find them anywhere on the net. Thank God I found him. Yes. Hey man, that's about it. Honestly, man, this is my new favorite setup. Like I said, I've been shooting everything with the handheld, a little bit of gimbal here and there, but man, listen, the handheld is where it's at. I feel like I'm part of the action. I just love being so involved in the shot. Yeah, if you like this type of content from me, please let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know how good or bad it is. No offense taken over here. I'm still learning this whole YouTube thing. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope y'all having a good day. Peace.